Hello everybody, I'm Gabi and this is Gabi Tech. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will present you Huawei Watch 3, the newest watch from Huawei. You know that Huawei released Huawei Watch 3 and Huawei Watch 3 Pro a couple of months ago, and now I'm here to test it. So if you're new here, please like and subscribe, follow me on all social media and smile because life is beautiful. Let's unbox the watch and take a closer look at the specifications. This is the box of Huawei Watch 3 with protective foil that we will remove now. It's a black big box, beautiful and classy. Let's open it. The watch is the first thing we see, then we have the separation with the accessories. The first one is the sport band. Then we have the extensions for the elegant band from stainless steel. The charger, it's magnetic charger, documents, and now is the time to remove the protective pillow and the foil to see the watch's full glory. Beautiful screen. This is the watch. I am in love from a first sight. It has a big beautiful corpus. I have the Elite series of the watch with a stainless steel watch band because Huawei Watch 3 comes with stainless steel band and a sport band, the Elite series. There is also Active series, that is only what this brand, and Class series I think with a leather band. I'm not exactly sure. I got the Elite series for you guys because the Elite series comes with this band and additionally has the sport silicone band. The range that you can use the band is from 140mm to 210, and it has a pretty basic mechanism to regulate it. Basically, I broke all of my nails too. I regulate the stainless steel band for my size. Most of the people say this watch is made for males, but this is a discrimination. In order to regulate the band, you need to unlock the mechanism and you need to remove one band piece from each side in order to make it even. These are the elements. The corpus of Huawei Watch 3 is 46mm, while the 3 Pro is 48mm. There's a 2mm difference. Yes, it stays a little bit big on the wrist, but I still find it pretty cool. Okay, enough with this. Let's take a closer look to the specifications, the display, the design, and everything else. The design is flawless. We have a frame from stainless steel and sapphire crystal glass. This is the band from stainless steel as well. It's a bit heavy. The corpus is 46mm and the weight is around 54 grams. Harmony OS will be the OS system here. The big 3D crown that helps you to control and scroll through the menus of the watch very easy. I love that crown. It's so convenient. The sensors on the back, including gyroscope, geomagnetic sensor, optical heartbeat sensor, barometer and temperature sensor. So far this watch is my favorite. Beautiful design, stainless steel corpus, big 3D crown with opportunities to regulate up and down and to press it, side button, and nice beautiful sensors on the back. My most favorite thing though is the display. The display is 143-inch colorful AMOLED display with capacitive touchscreen, full screen touch support including swipe, tap, press and hold. The resolution is 466 on 466 pixels, 326 ppi. Bright and beautiful display with up to 1000 nits of brightness, ready for the brightest sun. Deep contrasts and nice colors. All I can say about this display is that it's impressive, although there's some health issues that you can get from AMOLED displays, and we'll speak about this in a separate video because I really want you to know this as a medical student. This could be the reason why you have late night headaches. Anyway, about the watch, I think this is the display everybody would want to have. It's enormous, beautiful display with big menu and nice opportunities. High pixel density, AMOLED display, 1.42 inch with beautiful round corners. When you place it on your arm, you just see display. It's so pretty and it gives you such a nice immersion. In order to customize your beautiful display, you have enormous choice of watch faces that you can check through the Huawei Health app. Thousands of them, some of them are paid, some of them are not. You have some pre-installed watch faces on your watch that you can choose. And you can as well customize it on your own way by putting your picture or a short video there. Let's go to the main part now with all the functionalities of this watch and how this watch will improve your lifestyle if you get it. The strongest features of the watch are its sensors. This is the heartbeat sensor, beautiful animations, everything real time with TrueSync 4.5 technology, the stress level measuring sensor, the oxygen saturation sensor, much more improved than the GT2, and the temperature sensor. All of the data collected from this sensor is being registered in a Huawei Health app. Let's check the different types of activities. More than 100 activities, more than 100, including running courses, outdoor run, outside run, swimming, and much more. This is the watch to make you live healthier and work out more frequently. Activity circles. Hello Apple. My favorite part is when I went out today, I started walking outside. The watch immediately gave me a notification. Are you walking outside? Do you want me to start an outside walk workout? It just felt it. So amazing. The same happens when you go to a pool and a watch feels little bit water. It says, do you want to swim? Amazing artificial intelligence. It feels everything. I should really admit something. I know you noticed already, the menu of the watch is exactly like the menu of the Apple Watch. The operational system of the watch is Harmony OS. And the main thing that reminds me of Apple Watch are the activity circles. Here we have them as well. I filled up one of them, the second one is not exactly filled up, and the third one I have 9 more minutes to have a workout in order to fill it up. Through the Huawei Health app, you can get suggestions how much minutes daily you should spend in working out, how many steps daily you should do, and cool health suggestions like this. You can add your weight management and everything into the Huawei Health app, and the watch will track accurately for you the calories you burned during a workout with the help of VO2 max, which is the maximum oxygen capacity. My favorite part about the health sensor. If you get this watch, you have improved lifestyle. It tracks your sleep, it tracks your pulse through the TrueSync 4.5 technology. It measures your oxygen saturation, it even measures your temperature. This is all of this stuff pretty accurately. I'm surprised because I tested a normal pulse oximeter, like the one that I filmed in one video, together with the Huawei Watch 3, and trust me, the results were very same, maybe 1 or 2 units difference. And everything all together builds a beautiful health data for you, your state, your mental state, your physical state. You have breathing exercises, everything you can think that you want to have in just one watch all day long next to you, trying to help you improve your lifestyle in our busy daily lives. Now let's say a couple of words about the battery. Huawei Watch 3 has a battery that can endure 3 days into a smart mode and 14 days into an ultra long battery life mode. But that's the big but that made me very annoyed. When you pair your watch with an iPhone, the battery life automatically drops down from 3 days to 1.5 days and from 14 days to 7 days. This is all annoying. Why, Huawei? Why do you do this? This is one of the reasons I wouldn't get this watch, because I use iPhone, and if I can't count on my battery as long as my Android friends, this will just annoy me. In the core of the watch is double chipset with 16GB of internal storage and 2GB of RAM. And since we came to an end in this video and you saw all of the cool stuff, the workout modes, the health sensor and everything, I will tell you the differences between Huawei Watch 3 and 3 Pro. The corpus here is made out of stainless steel, on the 3 Pro is made out of titanium. The glass here is just ceramic glass. The other one has special sapphire glass shield. And the band, if you want the Elite series of Watch 3 Pro, you will get a titanium band which is much more lighter than the stainless steel one. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. I hope that with my opinion and my review I helped you decide if this Huawei Watch 3 is for you. Thank you very much.